No, definitely not.
No, why is it not acceptable? Why is it not acceptable? If the doctors are negligent, why should they not be? Why should they not be acted against?
I'll give you a small I would just say a small thing that has been happening. There are about, if you will say, 100 cases of consumer rights or action being taken against doctors. You'll find the courts have found that more than 99% of the cases have been frivolous. They have been either because the person wanted to get some cash out of the doctor or wanted to harass him. And it's something which has been done in the court. I'm telling you what has happened in the court.
Nobody willing to come and say in the court that this is the malpractice, because doctors are protecting one another.
See,
in the same way as policemen are protecting one another.
Why do you say the doctors are being protected? Why do you say the doctors are being protected? Why don't you say that
independent medical inquiry into every malpractice?
The persons who are making cases can be frivolous? Why only the consumer is being held accountable?
Listen.
Why consumer is not held accountable if he does?
No medical doctor is willing to give evidence against another person. Therefore, for lack of evidence, the cases are being dismissed. Not because there is no evidence.
No, but explain this to me, Dr. Agarwal. Why should there not be a law? If there is a law for drunken driving, there should be a law against doctors who don't do their job properly. It's a demand that the people of India have. There has to be a system of redressal.
The Union Minister whether he is willing to draft a law and bring it into Parliament.
It should not. It's a double charge. So actually, we would want to talk. I would like to say one thing, sir. Whatever it is, see, these things are happening very frequently nowadays. See, whenever disaster management is there, whenever something like this happens, there has to be a disaster management team. I'll tell you very frankly, this is something like disaster management. Tell me, any of the government hospitals, do you have a disaster management team?
It is about controlling irresponsible and criminal behavior by doctors like you and with residents who form unions and are willing to do leadership and not save lives. You guys will be sent to jail. You deserve to be in jail. You should not be free. Because you get away with murder and then talking about murder.
Principle of triage, we have to see that attend the serious patients first. The most is mostly the serious patient, then less serious, then more less serious patients. And finally we would see those patients who are not serious at all. This is a triage we are taught in MBBS days only. Okay, sir. And
listen, you please explain how these people died.
We are done.
Who among those who died, how many were serious, how many were semi-serious? 68 people have died. And you are trying to give us a lecture. Either your figure is wrong or this man is talking through his head.
The figure is absolutely correct. Dr. Agarwal, you can't expect us to wish this away. You can't say let life go on as normal.
Dr. Agarwal and his friends deserve to be in jail. Thanks to the Parliament of India, they don't have a law to put these guys in jail. And I am calling upon members of Parliament to wake up, to discipline doctors who are taking callous decisions, who are doing malpractice, who are getting away with murder. And the Minister of Health of the Union government doesn't have the guts to create a law.
Is not ready to accept whatever see the audacity of the situation. Nobody is trying to understand where are we in. Okay, but everybody is trying to frame us.
Listen, there are people who have died.
This is not correct at all.
How many doctors have died in these 3 days? Not a single doctor has died.
68. But Dr. Agarwal, it is shameful what happened in Jaipur. A senior doctor wanted to come back to work. 3 young doctors got together. They gouged his eye. They badly injured him because he wasn't allowed to go back to work. This is not acceptable. You can't wish the death of these 68 people away.
No, I would have sympathy if I would have known that the patient's family killed their doctor.
Come to Jaipur and
not a single doctor has died. 68 people have died. And these deaths are in the hands of this man and his friends who organized the strike.
This is a wrong statement.
And the Chief Minister of Rajasthan. What is he doing? These guys should be in jail. They shouldn't be out. They're a threat to life.
And it was totally a mutual quarrel between the two, and nobody was stopped from acting, right? So it's a total misconception which you have been sending to the people. Nobody was stopped out here, and we strongly condemn this statement that has been made on a national channel right now.
Listen, nobody was stopped. Don't have the facts right on this one. Please clear your facts. You should be in jail. You should not be free. 68 people have died. Is that correct or not?
But that is not the correct thing. Our senior doctors were in work. Everybody were, like other people were in work. Okay, there was
pass the buck.
Necessary arrangements
have
were made from the
people died or
not?
You are just passing the buck.
68 people must have died, definitely.